Innovation for waste minimization.
This is a Becca model S10A automatic solvent paint spray gun cleaner, made in the USA. The features include a stainless steel wash basin with automatic hands-free cycle, a safety switch for the stainless steel wash basin cover, a switch for selecting either used or clean solvent, a Becca solvent-resistant power clean compressed air quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control, 2 trigger clips used in the automatic process, an air regulator with water trap and shutoff valve, laminated posters with spray gun cleaning instructions in English and Spanish are supplied with every unit. 2 optional 5-gallon solvent containers, one for used solvent and one for clean solvent. An optional filtration recycling system is available to extend the life of the solvent for reuse up to 8 times its normal life. It utilizes only one solvent tank, and it filters the solvent when the control is in the clean solvent mode. The replaceable cartridge filters are easy to service. Also available is an optional 10-gallon stainless steel tank with sight glass. This optional tank is highly recommended when optional filtration recycling process is selected. As with all Becca solvent paint gun cleaners, this Becca Model S10A can be part of a Becca combo, which includes a 3 or 6 gallon solvent saver recycler to distill the dirty fluid in use.
Innovation for waste minimization.